Hey, what's up, students? Let's do the Alpha Raid Maid. Set up and solve a system of equations to answer the math questions for your math class. Well, those are pretty cool instructions. You invested a total of $8,200 into two cryptocurrencies. Wubba Lubba Dub Dub coin X yielded 1.7% returns, and Dropkick Nickels Y yielded 2.7% returns. If your returns totaled $181.40, how much did you invest in each currency? All right, so we have a system to set up here, students. So let's go ahead and set that system up. Let's do one talking about the total amount of money. So X for Wubba Lubba Dub Dub and Y Dropkick Nickels totaled $8,200. Okay. Then we got to make another system talking about the interest. So remember, systems usually involve two sides of the story. This one's talking about the total, and the other one's going to be talking about the interest or the yields or the returns. There's lots of those different names when you get into financial math. All right. So a 1.7% interest would be 0.017x, and a 2.7% would be 0.027y. Together, that yielded $181.40. So if you can read this, this is what you would graph. This would probably be easier to solve with Desmos. So if you graph this, they would crisscross at an X and Y coordinate point. You could try to solve making opposites, and that would be extremely disgusting. So, oh my goodness, I don't even know where you would start. Well, I kind of do. So if you were going to make opposite X or Y values, ugh, gross. Here's what I would do. I would maybe take this top equation. That's really thin. Hold on one second. I'm better than that. I would take this top equation times like a negative 0.017, because then you'd have a negative 0.071x, and then I know I don't want to. I don't want to do that right now. No, I'm not going to do it. Okay. All right. So anyway, I think I have it graphed on Desmos already. Give me one second. I got it over here in a different window. Let me pull it up. I don't have all of it. So here's most of it, as you can see there. So there is the x plus y equals 8,200. So let me copy and paste and make a brand new one. Let me throw in the decimals. So here we go. So 0.017. It's 0.7, right? Yeah, I thought it was. Oh, I lost my window. Where'd it go? There it is. Okay. And then 0.027. There we go. So there's my decimals, but now it made 181.40 cents. Is that right? Let me double check. 181.40 cents. Okay, good. All right, let's go back. Gotcha. All right, and boom, there it is. There we go. Crisscross perfectly at a very, very nice dollar amount. So it looks like you put $4,000 into X, which was Wubba Lubba Dub Dub, and 4,200 into Y, which was the Dropkick and Nickels. All right, so you go. There's your answers. Okay, so you put $4,000 into Wubba Lubba Dub Dub. Notice the format, so make sure I can do better than that. Here we go. So $4,000. There we go. And then it was $4,200 for Dropkick Nickels. Bonus question. If you invested all $8,200 into the higher yield currency, how much more money would you have made? So here's the problem. It's kind of silly. Well, you don't really know this ahead of time, but if you did know it ahead of time, if you knew that the Dropkick Nickels were going to give you 2.7% interest, you probably would have rather invested all of your money. If one of them is going to give you more of a return, then you want to just dump all of the money into that one. But you didn't know. You just put the money in, and then that's what you found out. So everybody's a winner in hindsight. But here's what you do. So if you put all $8,200 into the Dropkick Nickels, you would take that times 0.027. When you do that, shoot, I don't have my calculator ready. I'm so sorry. I thought I was prepared, and I wasn't. 8,200 times 0.027 is $221.40. Okay, so that's what you could have made, would have made, shoulda, coulda, woulda. and then you made 180, 140. So if you subtract, you figure out how much more. That's a tricky part. This isn't the answer, okay? Because it wants to know how much more money would you have made. Well, you would have made 221.40 cents, but you already made 181.40 cents. So when you do that subtraction, let's see what we get here. 221.4 minus 181.4. Hold on a second. Sorry about that announcement. Here we go. So that's $40. Okay, cool. So you could have made $40 extra if you would have known ahead of time that Dropkick Nickels was going to be better than Wubba Lubba Dub Dub coin. So interesting thought, everybody. Notice that the more money you would have made is $40, and the money you invested in Wubba Lubba Dub Dub was $4,000. Huh, interesting. I'll let you think about that on your own time. All right, that's all I got for the Alpha Raid Maid.